Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome, welcome. Thank you so very much for joining me today. This is the Smash Our Stash collaboration, and it's put on by Bourbon Creek Crafts, who is my friend Beth. Each month there is a theme for us to dig into our stash. Yes, that's Wilson in the background. He wanted you to know he's here. It's not about buying things, it's about using things up. And this month is unfinished objects. I call them UFOs. Or things that you are trash to treasuring, kind of digging in and maybe finding those halfway done projects or those things you bought and said you were going to do. I had a cover. This is a wood cover that I got plain at a garage sale. I think I paid a couple dollars for it. It's a close to my heart. My friend Andrea helped me do a paint pour on it. So this is what the cover looks like on the exterior. It is delicious. It feels smooth. I mean, you can feel like the air bubbles and stuff, but it just has a sheen to it and it is glorious. What I did was I had pulled it out for something and many of you commented, oh, you were excited to see me finish it. And I thought, well, I'm not really going to finish it anytime soon. I was stumped by it, but then I needed to do an unfinished object for Smash Our Stash. So here I am. And it's a binder, so that allows you to change things. Then the paint is on the outside, and on the inside, I just took like a white pearl and kind of painted it out a little bit more. But I decided not to use a dark color and cover the drips. You know, they add some interest. I've never made a journal like this before. Then I couldn't decide what was worthy of being right inside the cover. And then I found that I had this paint smush that I had set aside. And if I had to guess, it was probably from the same day because it's the same paints. I could be wrong. Andrea might remember better than I. Look at it. And little rounded corners. And I rounded the corners on most of them just because the cover was round. I have left this nearly naked because it can go anyway. And I think if it was going to be mine, I would use it as an art journal because the pages can come in and out. You can do whatever, but maybe somebody's going to use it for recipes or art project ideas. And because the cover is a little modern, the decorations that I did put in here are a little bit crazier than you might see in some of mine. I had this cluster all made. I think this was Smash Our Stash with Brad's, and I just liked it in there. This is a pocket with the same paper, and I don't usually repeat paper, but I liked it with this. I have bits of fabric. Here's a fold out that is fun blue paper with 2022 on it. And these are some trash papers I had laying around. This is the color that is on the front. So I liked it and put it in a little pocket, another bit of that paint smush, then some pages. Then here, this is just a circle with a heart glued on it that's painted, and it's a tuck spot. You're a real gem. This was just sitting in the bin. I don't know what my plan was for it, but I decided since it has rings, I just wanted to enhance the idea that you could tie something in it anywhere you wanted. Fabric just glued to the page with strings hanging. This is a gel print that our friend Mary sent me. The colors don't totally work in this book, but I just loved it. And I just decided I strengthened it here with washi tape and some glue. And I decided it was going in the book. And I like the sound that it makes. It just adds more interesting texture. And so that is it. And I think what I'm probably going to do is put it in my Etsy shop, or somebody could message me. It could go lots of different directions. It is a little warped. You should know that if you're interested. But I think it's pretty cool. And I only picked up one of these covers, I think. So I don't have any more. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you will reach into your stash and pull something out and use it that has been sitting there. Because I bought this in the summer, maybe. I mean, I think the paint's been on it since the summer. It's just been sitting. Be sure to check out the other collaborators in Smash Our Stash. Next month is a free choice month, so who knows what I will do, but maybe it'll help clear off the counter. We'll see. Be sure to check out Bourbon Creek Crafts and everybody else and leave comments and give people a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.